In the back of your packet, there is a worksheet that looks like this, and there's also a paper that says Math Detective Word Problems. We're going to talk about those two papers right now. This paper in front of me, the one that says Math Detective Word Problems, is your answer sheet. So you're going to put your answers on this page. You're going to use these pages for the problems. So let's talk about what you're doing. You're going to read the word problem. This one is labeled dinner time. I'll just read it out to you. It says, everyone in Tyler's family of 4 takes turn cooking. They eat dinner at home every night except Saturday when they go out for pizza. In January, Tyler's first day to cook was Monday, January 5th. Tyler made lasagna. He started cooking at 4:40 and dinner was ready at 6:18. After dinner, they had cookies for dessert. Tyler ate twice as many cookies as his little sister. Tyler's mom ate 2 more cookies than Tyler. Tyler's dad ate 9 cookies, which was 5 more than Tyler's sister had eaten. Tyler did homework until bedtime, which was at 9:30. That's a lot of information. On the right-hand side of this page, we have a bunch of different questions. It's going to be your job to use the story we just read to answer all of these questions. So question A says, on what day of the week will Tyler next cook? Okay. So you're going to use the information it gave you and find that out. And it says, how many times will Tyler cook in January? Well, that's an interesting question. So if there's 4 people in the family and they take turns cooking every day except Saturday, and his first day of cooking was Monday, January 5th, how many times is he going to cook in the month of January? C says, how long did it take Tyler to make dinner? And then D says, how many cookies did Tyler have for dessert? So you're going to use all of the information from the paragraph to answer those 4 questions. And on the answer sheet, down here, we have A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. And that correlates here with A, B, C, and D. So A will go in the A box, B will go in the B box, C will go in the C box, and D will go in the D box. All right? So you read the question carefully, read the story carefully, and do your best on answering the questions. Good luck.